Hey guys, I'm Soso from Marslite Lighting. Today I would like to show you the new product, the wireless signal transmitter and receiver. Okay, we can see that they are packaged by the soft bag, and this is the smaller one and this is the middle one. And this model has 3 pieces receiver inside, 3 pieces, and 1 piece is the transmitter inside, and it has the adapter, user manual. This is the 6 pieces receiver inside, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the first one is the transmitter, and this is the antenna. And when we go into operation, this antenna is very easy to connect and remove. It's very safety to protect the signal. And this transmitter, we have to connect the electric. Okay, turn on. The transmitter is turned on. We can choose the ID. You can see that you have a 01 is the number 1. The max is the 20. Okay, the max is 20 group. We can separate to 20 group, and 1 transmitter and 6 pieces receiver. The receiver is built inside the battery. You can see that it's long stack is turned on. Long stack we can be turned on, and we can be set up the ID. If the 01, so the light is the transmitter is 01 too. Match the ID together. Okay. Step 2. Let's go into operation. How to connect the DMX controller. And first, this is the wireless transmitter. The first step to connect to the DMX controller. Connect the electric. And this is the wireless receiver to connect to the equipment what you want to control. And the ID we all set on the 01. Yes. The wireless receiver is the built-inside battery. It can be worked to more than 20 hours. We also, the signal can be distant to 600 meters. Okay, finish. We can control the light.